innovation, precision, performance. Welcome to DMG MORI UK's Technology Days.
Today I am incredibly excited to introduce you to the NLX 2500 Generation 2. This new model represents a significant leap forward from its predecessor, building on a long and distinguished lineage of excellence.
Good morning, everybody. I'm going to walk you through the presentation now, the demo we've put together. So we're starting with the raw material size, 190mm diameter, 160 long.
Yeah, so we were looking at putting together a demo to show off really the NLX 2500 second generation, to show what it can really do, and try and show off its strong points, so the rigidity of the machine, the increased power, the increased torque, and the ability to do what we can do on spindle 1, on spindle 2, which is a lot of people can't do that, and a lot of machines can't do that, and that's what we want to show off. So we wanted to show some heavy turning, some heavy milling, so some operations that you wouldn't really do necessarily on the older machine, and show the benefits of the new platform.
So, people have come in today to primarily look at the NLX 2500 Gen 2. We've had some very, very positive feedback. They've enjoyed the presentation because we spoke to them about what the capabilities and the development and the heritage of the machine is, and where we're going with this machine, and the kind of activity that you can put on there. Interrupted cuts, no problem at all, it's very quiet. Zero fog, which empties the fog out of the cabin very, very quickly. So a number of people have commented on that, went, well, that's good. And of course, it's not a big bulky unit that's on the side, it's built into the machine itself. So there's lots of features on there that are applicable to many, many customers. And as we call it, a universal turning machine.
Yeah, very impressive. We got some of the Gen 1 machines, and it was great to see what they've done with the Gen 2 in terms of productivity and the power that it can produce.
Do you think there's one of them in your future?
Yeah, quite possibly, yes. I mean, we've always been really happy with DMG MORI from a turning point of view, and I've got a lot of good things to say about the machines we've got, so certainly if we're looking at upgrading, I think this would be one to consider seriously.
Honestly, I thought it was brilliant. The interrupted cut and the 10mm depth cuts were brilliant. Showed the real stability of the machine. The tool changes quick, simple, fast. The silence of the machine was completely outstanding. I saw it run an 80mm U-drill, whereas on the machines that I run, I'll be used to the floor shaking, but it was honestly silence and it blew me away.
Hugely impressive the way the turrets and the spindles cope with the huge depth of cuts that they were doing on there. Thought it was incredible.
This Technology Day isn't just about machinery, it's about people, partnerships and innovations.
This year we have completely changed the format for our Tech Days. We've hired a company, a production company, and we've got a stage, we've got a machine on show with a lovely backdrop, and we just wanted to make the focus on a new generation of the NLX 2500. We've got a speaker in, we've done a demo. We just thought, let's try and switch it up a little bit and maybe bring people in to focus on the NLX 2500, but also show off the other machines that we've got in the showroom as well. There's been months of planning, back and forth with the production company that we've used, designing, making sure the machines are in on time, the logistics side of things. And it's all come together really well, and I'm really pleased with it, but it has taken blood, sweat and tears.